In today's video, I am going to teach you how to format a donut chart in Excel. If you already have a donut chart inserted in your worksheet, you are just a few clicks away from changing the way it looks. The main setting we are focusing on here is the size of the hole in the center. Adjusting that one option can make the chart appear thicker, thinner, cleaner, or more modern, depending on the style you want. Begin by moving your cursor over the colored ring of the donut chart itself. Make sure you are clicking directly on the chart series, not the chart title, legend, or empty chart area. Once the colored ring is selected, right-click it and choose Format Data Series from the menu. This will open the formatting options for that part of the chart. After you do that, look to the right side of your Excel window. A formatting panel will appear there. This panel gives you access to several settings for the data series, and the one you need is called Doughnut Hole Size. This controls how large the center opening is, which also changes how thick the outer ring appears. When you find Doughnut Hole Size, you can either drag the slider or type in a percentage manually. Both methods work well, so use whichever feels easier. If you want the ring to look thicker and more solid, set the hole size to around 50%. A smaller hole means more space is taken up by the colored ring, so the chart looks heavier and more prominent. If you want a thinner and sleeker look, increase the hole size to around 75%. A larger hole creates a lighter, more minimal style that many people prefer for modern dashboards or polished reports. As you adjust the percentage, keep an eye on the chart so you can see the change in real time. This makes it easy to choose a size that fits your layout and makes the data easier to read. If your chart labels or numbers need more visual balance, a small change to the hole size can make a noticeable difference. That is the full process. You right-click the colored ring, open Format Data Series, find Doughnut Hole Size in the panel on the right, and then adjust the percentage until the chart looks the way you want. That covers everything you need to know.